Favor, surprise. Surprise.
Auntie Anastasia.
Guess. Auntie who?
Auntie Ola.
Auntie Ola. No, guess again.
Auntie Sandra.
Auntie Sandra. No. Guess
Mommy.
again. Yes, that's your mommy. Your mommy. Favor, you're enjoying yourself.
Yeah.
You can see you're watching cartoon. Enjoy your drink, okay? Enjoy your drink.
Yes. Should that today?
Favor.
Yes.
Hope you are drinking.
I'm not start drinking.
And now, why now? Drink up, you know what?
I'm waiting for you.
You know what? Let's drink together. Let's drink together. So, open your drink while I open mine. Yes. So, let's cheers. That's my baby girl. Cheers to life. Because we live once. Yes, drink up. Drink it. Favor, let's cheers again. Cheers to life and to
Prosperity.
exactly. That's my baby girl. Give me 5. Drink up. Drink. Make sure it's entering. Hope you're enjoying the drink.
Yes.
That's why I got your favorite.
Yeah.
Drink up. Are you feeling somehow?
Okay.
Are you sure? Drink up. Drink it. Stella, hold on. Are you sure you're not feeling somehow? Yeah, sure. Favor, wait. Hold on. You need to drink up. That's my baby girl. Drink up. Your favorite drink. Hold on. Okay. I take it. Drink up, Favor. Drink it now. You will enjoy it more now because I've shaken it. All the ingredients have mixed together. Now you will understand the thing. That's your favorite. Drink it very well.
What do you do me?
I mean all the ingredients of the drink. Now I shaked it. All of them will mix together.
Yes.
So drink up.
Yes.
Because this year I'm drinking my own. Drink it like that. Favor, drop. Jesus. Drop the phone and drink up. Are you sure you're not feeling somehow? You are sure? Favor, stand up. Which one is that you're not feeling somehow?
I'm feeling somehow. Give my cover, Biko.
Favor,
Yes.
are you sure nothing is wrong with you?
Nothing is wrong.
Your stomach is not doing somehow.
Nothing is paining me.
Favor, I don't understand. What did you do?
I don't know.
This one that you're not even. My Jesus. My cheese. My cheese. Favor, what did you do?
Nothing.
You are sure? So how come nothing is happening to you in the drink and I'm the one that is feeling so
Your
bad?
plan did not work. Your plan did not work.
My plan?
Yes.
Which plan, Favor? Why are you accusing me? Which plan are you talking about?
I switched the drink.
You switched what?
I switched it.
Hey! Favor, I've always.
You will die today. Today marks your end.
Favor, I've always known you're away, but I don't know if what is this bad. Favor, why do you have to exchange the drink?
Why do you want to take my life?
Hey! Jesus! Honey! Honey! You need to take me to hospital as soon as. Honey! Honey, please, you need to hurry up and come and take me to hospital.
Sorry, you're
Honey,
screaming.
Honey, go.
What?
My chest.
Your chest did what?
Something is breaking my chest. Baby, take me to hospital.
What happened to you? Babe, are you okay?
Okay.
What happened to you?
Is it fine?
Babe, talk to me. Are you? What happened to your mommy?
Honey, just take me to hospital. Don't worry about what will happen to me. Just take me to hospital. I'll
Let me
get
get my
better
car
there.
Dad, did you know what happened? As I was
Shut up your
What
mouth.
happened now? Somebody should talk to
Take me
me.
to hospital.
as I was just watching cartoon, I just saw her when she was acting sometimes into my dream, so I switched it.
Playful, why?
Mommy added a substance into your drink.
Yes, I switched it.
Babe,
Baby, please take me to hospital.
what is she talking about?
I will explain when I come
Babe,
back.
explain to me. What did you add to my daughter's drink?
Baby, let me survive first. I will explain to you. Please, I beg.
Esther! Hey, not in my house.
Baby.
Not in my house. What did you add to my daughter's drink?
Baby, I'm sorry. Just take me to hospital. I'm
Jesus.
very
Jesus.
Baby,
Yes.
Esther!
I won't take
Yes,
that.
Daddy. Let me show you something.
What's before?
Esther,
Before?
were you going to take my daughter's life?
Baby, what will you have me do? She was obstructing me. You're no longer looking my
Jesus.
side. Baby, please.
Get your hands off
You
me!
need to take me. Let me survive first.
Esther! You were going to take my daughter's
It will take you.
That she's obstructing you from what? I don't understand.
You are no longer giving me attention. Favor.
Esther, what kind of an evil spirit got into you?
Thank you, Daddy.
Wait. If my daughter had not seen you do what you did, my daughter would have been gone. And you will tell me that she's obstructed. It's
Baby,
okay.
let's talk about
Oh.
Let me to us.
Hey! Get out of my house. Hey, Esther,
Baby, take
come
me to
on.
hospital.
Open
baby.
your eyes.
Take me to
Open your eyes.
Take me to hospital.
Take you to which
When I
hospital?
survive.
Find your way to the hospital by yourself. Get out. What kind of rubbish is this? That she's obstructing you from what rubbish nonsense I don't understand. Can you imagine? Favor, you're sure you switched it? You didn't take that one that she added something to? Which one did she? Hey, don't worry. Give it to me. Don't worry, I'm disposing everything. What's in my house? Are you going to?